Han dit en Arqué, però evidentment, com és normal amb els catalans, som molts. Som ximenis, som gent de la CUP amb l'Arufat, la Lisanda, d'Esquerra amb la Eli, la Carme, el Josep Maria i molts més que esteu per aquí, que no podeu pujar, que teniu vergonya, aquelles coses. Som molts. Gràcies, felicitats, felicitem-nos perquè un cop més ho hem fet. Catalans, avui hem portat la determinació de tot un poble a Brussel·les, una determinació compartida per una majoria social i una majoria política que diem sí a l'autodeterminació, sí a la democràcia. Avui els catalans som aquí per comunicar al món que els catalans, ciutadans i representants polítics estem totalment determinats i el proper 9 de novembre farem el referèndum sobre la independència de Catalunya. Independència! I per això diem al món: hello Brussels, hello Europe, hello Democrats from all over the world gathered here joining us to defend the exercise of the universal right of self-determination and express loud and clear: Europe, we will vote. It is about democracy, and democracy can never ever be illegal. Democracy can never be illegal. And whoever dares to say it is lying. And in front of their lies, we don't demand, we do not ask, we just communicate Europe. It's about democracy. Europe, we will vote. We are more than 25 million European citizens living at the moment in societies with a process of self-determination in the main political agenda of our countries. The fact that millions of European citizens, like we are Catalans, like they are the Basques, have to face difficulties, opposition, and even threats to exercise a universal right like self-determination, to exercise democracy, it is not something, it only affects Catalans. It affects all European citizens, affects the Germans, Finnish, affects you Finnish, affects all European citizens, because it's in European territory that this right wants to be vulnerated. They say no, we say yes. And you know what? You know what? Those ones that are against our processes, our democratic processes, they say you have to work separate. They don't. Rajoy, Cameron, they don't. They work together to stop us. But they say we have to work separated. And we say no, we work together because we are Democrats and we are majority. In Europe, Democrats, we are majority. And here's where we say this sentence that was so great that Martin Luther King used to say, and that is, injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. That is why we are here to say to the European institutions, before they go on asking our vote to vote them next May, that they are not cultural institutions. They are political institutions. They have to assume the political responsibility of all the treaties, all the international treaties that they have signed, including the universal rights, including self-determination. They have to guarantee that European citizens, peaceful, democrats, European citizens can exercise their rights. We can exercise our rights because we tell them we are nations. And you know what is equally important? We are all aware we are nations. We are aware we are nations and we know our rights. So all the commissioners, all these people that speak out threatening us, saying that we're going to be expelled from where? From the European Union? European citizens? Those ones that they break the neutrality, that they take sides, we say, we refuse your threats. We are nations, we are European citizens, and we know our rights, and we are going to exercise them. Catalans will vote the 9th of November in a referendum. Sovereignty is in our hands. Let's not leave it to the hands of others. Let's use them to write our own history. Avui comuniquem al món que no farem ni un pas enrere. Els catalans no farem ni un pas enrere. I és per això que el proper 9 de novembre els catalans demostrarem al món que som nació, que en sabem nació i coneixem els nostres drets i votarem el referèndum sobre la independència de Catalunya. Demostrarem que estem preparats per ser una Catalunya estat independent. Demostrarem que no necessitem permisos. Demostrarem que no només cantem, proclamem, fem pel·lícules, fem webs, fem... Què més? Fem de tot, fem de tot dient que som una nació. El 9 de novembre demostrarem que ho som, perquè actuarem com una nació i demostrarem que hem trencat amb el marc mental autonòmic. Som-hi endavant, visca nosaltres el poble, visca sempre Catalunya, visca la democràcia, independència.